Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain how I created this simple game, and you can see it have a jump, attack, counter, which is a parry, which is the same of this parry, just like a Dark Souls game, and the counter attack just like a Dark Souls game, and other thing. You can see everything in this game. Okay, you can download the source code in the description and try it for free. You can just run at this main.py and just play this game, and you can see the full source code of this. Okay, and also if you guys want more video and want more game with a source code, I will create it, because right now I'm planning to teach and create a Dark Souls game 2D. Right now I'm just creating these images, and I want to be ready for the next game. Okay, but with exception if I get a support and if I get more requests from you guys, okay, I will create a video and I will make it open source. But we will see what happened with our YouTube channel. So hope you guys like a game. Make sure to support our channel with a like and a subscribe, and hit the like button. So I'm gonna explain code is how I created. I think in a four part maybe. In part 1 I'm gonna explain a main.py and the level manager and the level editor, how to create a tile for a map. So this is for the first part, and the second part I will explain for the player and the rigid body, and the part 3 will be for Yuri and the enemy and other parts.